This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have what you need: a compatible iPad, an updated OS, and Bluetooth enabled. First, identify your pencil generation because pairing differs. Once done, place a second-generation pencil on the iPad's magnetic side or remove the cap and connect a first-generation pencil to the Lightning port. Stay focused. The pairing dialog appears immediately for second-gen and should appear within seconds for first-gen. If you don't see it, wait a moment and keep the pencil connected. When the pairing prompt appears, tap Connect and follow on-screen prompts. That step tells the iPad to trust and register the pencil. If a firmware update starts, make sure you leave the pencil attached and the iPad awake. Updating calibrates pressure and tilt. If pairing stalls or fails mid-update, disconnect, charge briefly, then reattach. Also check the Bluetooth devices list. If the pencil shows but won't connect, select it and choose Forget Device before retrying. This clears stale pair data. After pairing and any update, open Notes or a drawing app and draw to confirm responsiveness, pressure sensitivity, and double-tap gestures if supported. Then check the battery widget to verify charge level and confirm it's charging while docked. If input works, you're done. If it doesn't, one key troubleshooting tip: restart your iPad and try pairing again. If that fails, disable Bluetooth, reset network settings, and then reattempt pairing. That sequence clears Bluetooth state and resolves most pairing faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.